Next Gen Ranger owners, if you've been hanging out to see what the Gen 2 tray looks like on the Ford Ranger, you're in luck. I've got one here and I'm going to show you today. Now this Next Gen Ranger is a cab chassis variant, has no sensors, no camera at the back and no BSM radars. So on the back of this Next Gen Ranger, we've got our XT Premium tray. The Premium tray is our top spec tray, comes with your drop down sides, then all the other inclusions that our trays have. To start off with, you've got your diesel filler. In the headboard, we've got a 30 litre headboard water tank. Following back from that, that is then plumbed into the 40 litre under tray tank, and then you've got a 1200 drawer at the back. So we've got a 1200 drawer, 70 litres of water capacity in this thing. You've got under tray toolbox on the side here. Round the back, you've got the Altic LED reverse lights. Now they throw a lot of light out when you're in reverse, so you can actually light up and see what's behind you when you're reversing. You've got 1200 rear drawer, which then also has a table in here as well, and that's able to be shifted through multiple settings here, so you can put whatever you want in the back, still have some table space, or you can just take it out altogether. Around the back, we've got two water tap outlets. One's gravity fed from the 70 litres of water, and the other one is hooked up to the pump. Now, the reason for the two is if you just need to fill something up or wash your hands and you don't have to use the pump all the time, you've still got a gravity fed option, so you're not spraying water everywhere. Now, the tap hooked up to the water pump isn't your standard, say, water pump tap setup. What you can actually do with this setup is draw off an external source. So if you parked up near a river or you've got a bucket of water or whatever other external water source you have, you can plumb it in simply by opening the tap, plug your hose in, run your pump, and you're drawing just off that water and off your tank. This setup's more aimed for those that say want to have a shower but draw off, river water and not contaminate the water in the tank. You get a bucket of water from the river, carry it back up to camp, plug your hose in, and then you got water there to use, and you're not using your drinking water or water for washing up or that precious water that you may need on your big trip. To then draw off the tank water, it's simple as close the valve, open the other valve, and then you've got pump water or gravity-fed water from your water tanks. We've also got a twin ARB air compressor in here as well with the outlet in there. In the tray base, we've got our XT tie-down grid. Now, we don't use a rope rail on the side of our trays. To keep it nice and neat, we have a tie-down grid in our tray. It's as simple as screwing in your M12 eyelet bolt, and that way you can hook on your ratchet straps to carry any items you need. It's also how we tie down our canopies. If you want to see more of this tray, jump over to Instagram, jump over onto our Facebook. You can email us at info@wigleengineering.com.au or jump onto our website and fill out our online quote form, and that way you can receive a quote of your own with all the options you have to choose from and build your own tray and canopy on our website. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.